Go.
Hi, I'm Darren Hines. Welcome to Screwed. Hi, I'm Darren Hines.
Steven.
I'm about to do this. We're about to do this. Alright, let's go.
Oh, snap!
Oh.
You alright?
Oh, my butt, dude. That.
It's breaking. Hey, let me kick this thing in. I want to see if I can break a door.
Hold on.
Don't kick it in because we gotta get Steven to it.
Alright.
It's trying to be.
It looks like it's about to just straight. It looks like it's about to straight break.
You need to.
That's gonna break too, I'll tell you that. I can just feel. Look how rickety this thing is.
Steven, get ready to break his face.
See, now if you would take a pole and hit him on the head. See?
Stupid. You're an idiot.
Dude, you can see where it's bending inward.
Are you okay?
I'm Darren Hines, and this is the Leapfrog. Over there.
No.
Come on. Steve, this is real fast to run. Your turn. Now you get a better run.
The other one was better than that one.
The last time was worse.
You can take it.
That's how far y'all should have been apart.
You better not, like, whatever.
He's getting some speed up.
I don't.
It's gonna make the impact better.
If you kick me in the face, I will kill you.
Alright, here's Darren Hines getting ready to do the bike.
Alright, come on. Are you ready?
Yeah!
That's complete.
Steven's about 18 feet tall.
Doing his little white boy jam.
Oh yeah, I remember when we did that in this carpenter. That was so funny. I remember when DeAndre was going like.
Jerk.
Oh yeah.
Our video was like the most popular.
I know, like I got like we played 10 times in a row.
I know.
Alright.
And I showed it to my grandma and she liked it. My granddad said he's gonna show it to people.
I'm going.
Let's do that again.
Okay. Do you want to do it in a 2-in-1 video? Okay. You're dumb.
I know.
Alright, you ready to do it again?
Oh my god, it's so bad.
Alright, go.
One more time.
You want to put a 3-in-1?
Dude, my coordination is so bad. Can't even make it down a damn slot. I mean, a dang slot. Sucks. Hey. You know, they always say that something bad can happen on the third attempt. You know what I mean?
Huh?
You know, have you ever seen the show Scarred?
Yeah?
How things bad usually happen on the third attempt?
Yeah.
Hopefully this won't be that.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Support the Russians, weep.
Signing off.